Now, so about here, so got my bird feeder filled with stuff. Oops. Got my extra bird feed here. Hopefully I can carry it all the way. Got my snowshoes on. Going through this after my bird feeder because I got 2 feet of snow. I'll just have to carry this little. I got just a little handful of seed I couldn't fit into my bird feeder, so I'm and then just throw it on the ground. All right. So in my last video, gotta go a little slower. My bird feeder is heavy now, and I got it strapped to my my scarf. I put my there it is. I'm gonna switch hands because on this side I'm looking right into the sun. Here we go. Earlier, I went ahead and put the carabiners on my straps so they won't come off the end of my heel because I slipped off one and I went down the snow up to my knee. It's about 2 foot deep snow. Now coming up to the place where some of the snow is a little bit not as packed, but the snow is melting a little bit. It's been 0 or above 0 a little bit. So it's melting. Alright. Now I figured out a way to just gonna sit you up against a tree. Set the phone up against a tree. Oops. Yeah, I should have had it going. Oh, it's alright. Alright. So, got to point it where I think the branch is going to be. Let's see. It's right about here. All right. I'll point it down a little bit more so you can see it. So, I got this little toggle in the rope loop, just a loop tied on the end of a rope. This only way I can figure out how to hang it from it. So I got these, my bird feeder, you see I stuffed the holes with some tissue paper and a napkin. And then after I hang it, I'll release those. I'll pick that up to release it. Alright, so let's see. Yep. So I just put it like that. And then I can just put that little stick through there, that loop, and it holds it. This little margin lid thing here is for the squirrels. All right, so I take these out. So that have them in there so that the seeds don't just pour out when I'm pouring the bird seed in. The bird seed was down below the bottom hole, so I couldn't get any more. So some of it falls on the ground here. So yeah, I just had a handful of bird seed in my and this I had this from last season, so I went ahead and do it and use the rest of it, and then I'll buy some more. I'm just gonna put this on the ground, scatter this on the ground. So now, bird feeder deployed. I'll just stick this inside my coat. Yeah. So mission accomplished. Considering business, and now all the birds will be happy. They'll find this in a little while. It takes them about a day or so, or maybe not that long, sometimes half a day. But since they've been coming here, it's been a day or two since it's been empty, so they might come back, check it. But I get these big crows, and I get these little little snowbirds. They're smaller than a sparrow. They're black-headed. Can't think of their names now. Black-headed something. I'll put it in the description when I think of it. And they have like 2 different kinds that are similar. And they have these big crows. And Bluejays. There's Bluejays that live in our bushes over here. So, Christian Benis, à la prochaine. May the Lord bless you. Until next time, Premier Cool Outdoors, where the adventure meets the great outdoors. And please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. And may the Lord bless you. And à la prochaine. I'll give you another one as I look at my snowshoes here. Ooh. On the trail here to my house. And I got my archery range is over there, and I made a path for that. So check out my other videos. Continue business à la prochaine, and please like and subscribe. Aim small.